Good morning, you guys. It's Kiara. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm taking you with me while I do my adulting tasks, while I finish up my last little piece of collegehood. I have to go completely move out of my apartment, my college apartment today. So I mostly already moved stuff out. I'll end up probably putting a time lapse or something in so you guys can see what I cleaned out my college apartment. I mostly cleaned up everything. Everything's in storage right now, but we left our TVs there because we had so much stuff packed up that we couldn't fit TVs in there. So I'm gonna go back, go get the TVs, and then also get a few more things that I had left. Turn in my keys and say bye-bye to Greensboro. So it's 7:15. I just finished washing dishes because I fell asleep without washing them last night. Sorry. So today I gotta start my morning routine off right, which includes cooking breakfast, doing my workout, and taking a shower, you know, getting clean and stuff. And then I'll probably take these down today. I'm not sure. I think they're dry, so I'm gonna take them down. But I just wanted to bring you guys along with me so you could see what it's like in my day as a, well, this is kind of like my day off. I don't really do work on Mondays or Fridays unless I have a call or something. So I don't really want to call this a day in the life as an entrepreneur, but I'm probably gonna call it like bye-bye college or something, because this is like the end of an era for me, because I'm gonna no longer have any type of college attachments. But we'll see. I'm gonna get my day started. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's get it. So I always, well, I didn't used to do this, but now since I live, you know, a frugal lifestyle, I tear my bacon in half before I cook it. So I make 2 pieces into 4 pieces. So this way, in my mind, it makes it feel like I'm getting more, but I'm really not. Because I want 4 pieces of bacon, but if I do 4 pieces of bacon every day, I gotta buy more. So I do 2, break it in half, and I have 4. So one thing that I've been doing as I've started full-time entrepreneurship is that I've been studying other entrepreneurs and, you know, reading a lot of books and, you know, watching all their like webinars and vlogs and stuff. And one thing that I noticed is that a lot of them say that they eat the same thing for breakfast every day. And so, you know, nobody was really giving reasoning behind it. So I looked it up. And I was like, you know, why do people eat the same thing for breakfast every day? Some people eat the same thing for like breakfast, lunch, and dinner every day, right? And so they do that because it cuts down on decision fatigue. So decision fatigue is, you know, when you've had a really busy day and then someone asks you like, you know, where you gonna eat at? And you're like, man, I don't know. It's like 7 o'clock, you know, you just know you're hungry. So decision fatigue is what comes from making very small decisions throughout the day. So you can only make so many before you become tired. You don't really realize that you're getting tired, but you end up being tired. That's where I don't know. I don't feel like making a decision right now. So knowing what you're gonna eat for breakfast every day cuts out any decision. Because I know when I wake up, I'm eating bacon, egg, and pepper jack cheese sandwich for breakfast. So that's one less decision I had to make this morning. So, you know, throughout the day, I'll be able to make more sound decisions, all because I already knew what I was eating for breakfast. Now, that's mainly something I'm gonna start trying to implement throughout the weekdays versus, you know, the weekend is cool. I don't really care to make decisions on the weekend, but on the weekdays, I don't wanna be tired of making decisions by, you know, 5 o'clock because I might have some other things going on. So, every day, I eat a bacon, pepper jack, cheese, and egg sandwich, and it's delicious. I'm the best at making them. If you want one, hit my line. I might send you one. Not really, because that would probably stink, right? And you know what? My dog Turbo has a morning routine too, don't you? Yes, we do. Turbo's morning routine consists of waking up, and then we go outside, right? Don't we, Turbo? We go outside after you wake up, and then we come in. I give him the little dental sticks that the dogs get. He already knows what it is. As soon as we get out from outside, he runs straight to the cabinet where the sticks are. I give him the sticks. he'll go run and jump on the couch. He eats the stick, and then he goes to his food bowl and asks for food, which is normally already in there, but sometimes I forget. So he'll be like, hey, give me my food. But that's Turbo's morning routine, and then him gonna go lay down and take a nap, ain't you? Okay, bye. Bye-bye. Fist bump. So now breakfast is done. I've eaten breakfast. I just went to put on my workout clothes, which just included leggings and socks. So now I'm about to work out. You know, it's been a few minutes since I ate, so you know, give it a little minute to digest or whatever. But I'm doing the Chloe Ting shred challenge right now. So I'm on day 4, but I rested. So like I've been doing it for 4 days, but it hasn't been 4 days in a row. But I've been being consistent, you know. So I'm trying to make this part of my morning routine because I need to work out, because you know, I just need more energy, and it's like a mental thing. I need to work my mental muscle, and I just need to tone my body, because at the moment I'm not completely 100% satisfied with what I look like, but it's not like, oh, you know, I'm gonna go crazy about, you know, trying to get fit. I'm just trying to build muscle, build strength, and eventually see some results. So it's been about 10 minutes since I finished the workout for today. That thing was hard. This workout was hard, but I finished it. I had to take like she does 10-second breaks. I had to do like 20-second breaks and 30-second breaks and some 40-second breaks. But regardless, I still did it. So I'm proud of myself. So the workout's done. I'm gonna take a shower, hop in the car, drive to Greensboro, which is about an hour drive, and then pack my stuff and then come back this way. So let's get this day. This day has been really good so far. Hopefully I can get a little bit more done. We'll see. Back, I've worked out, took a shower, took my hair down, had a little jam session to the new Flo Milli mixtape, and or was it an album? You know, the new music Flo Milli just dropped. So it is now 9:30. I swear last time I went out here was 8:30. Let me find out I'm making good timing. But now I'm actually about to check the weather. Make sure weather's clear. Ooh. I'm actually gonna get a move on so I can make it to my apartment and make it back. I feel like it's supposed to rain for the rest of the day, so I don't want to get caught in too much rain. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave, do what I gotta do, turn my keys in, and then say peace out to my college apartment. So let's get that going. Hope you guys are ready for this day. Hope you guys are having a great day. If you're watching this, I hope you're having a great day. If you're having a great day, put I'm having a great day in the comments. It is so crazy that I'm here and it's time to move out. This is nuts. See, I got my comforter and 2 TVs right there. This is wild. So I'm gonna get the rest of everything moved out and gonna go turn my keys in. Say bye-bye.
It's almost like waking. All of the gray turns white. The clouds behind fading. There are no steps to retrace. Out of the maze, running in circles and lies. I'm not gonna stay, but there's a will, there's a way. It's only a matter of time.
So I'm officially disregarding that stuff because I'm gonna take it to my car. I have officially moved out of my dorm, listen to me, of my college apartment. It's so crazy, but it feels good because the end of the official end of somewhat collegehood. The official end of somewhat collegehood. So Now it's on to the next step. Now head back to the Airbnb, and well, first I gotta turn my keys in, and I think that's it. Hey y'all, so I'm back. It is a little late. I stopped vlogging because I had a lot of work to catch up on. Oh, that's a story time for another day. It's been such a long day. You can probably see it in my face. Actually, I'm quite tired, but we're actually about to hop on the road to go see CJ's parents for the weekend because it's his dad's birthday. So I'm gonna do some more work. CJ is gonna drive, so I'm gonna do some more work because I still have work to catch up on. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, you already know what to do. If you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button so you can see more of my videos when I upload. And I will see you guys in the next video.